Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good morning. Good morning to all the viewers and the voice of Bed Miller. Yeah, man. I'm always glad to be alive, you know, brother. Yeah, man. The morning, kind of overcast. Kind of for the bad weather from what day. Still, the sun, yeah, man, the sun backlog. The sun come out and the sun, yeah, man, the weather not too pretty, but you know, if you give thanks to the weather still. Yeah, man, if you just appreciate. If you just appreciate Mother Nature and so forth. What may I say? Yes, Aya. Yeah, man, I can't start my speech. You see it? I'm going to big up Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. And yes, no, just this morning, I'm just quirky porridge as usual. Quirky American porridge I have here, you know. So I'm going to take a sip on it. You know, see it? Nice, brother. Quirky American porridge in the morning, you know. Before me talk about my topic, yeah, man, before Stammer Moses, come here Moses, you know. Yeah, man, because Moses is Stammer, you know. I hear when he used to speak because when that Moses go, when God take Moses, you know, and say go, he want to lead the people out of Egypt, you know. And Moses said, boy, God, me can't talk properly, you know, God. And God said, know yourself, Moses. Yeah, man, me make hear one talk for you. So, that's why I tell people says all the character them in the Bible, Moses, Joseph, the whole of them. Me read every story in the Bible. Me read all of the story them from. Me read through my Bible from Genesis to Revelation. More than one time. But me just stick to, when me get certain knowledge, me just stick to the New Testament and focus on the Son of God. Because back in the days, you have Bible where you have one color writing right, you know. But the Bible when you have anytime Jesus talk, you have that in a red writing, different from the black writing. So you know that Jesus did make certain speech. So just focus on Jesus. And I read Acts of the Apostles, I read every story in the Bible I read. So nobody can trick me. Because from Miss Ellen G. White say, if possible, in the book Desire of Ages, the book Desire of Ages, Miss Ellen G. White say that the forerunner for the Seventh Adventists say, if possible, everybody will be there when a pastor. Okay. So Stammer Moses is going to take a sip off and porridge now and see it and deal with certain issues. I don't want to talk too long in the brother. But when I get speech, I have to talk for at least half an hour. Because I have to talk and so I have to start talk. Because I notice everybody nowadays have them things on social media. Some have it on YouTube, some Instagram, some have it on TikTok. I bring forward a message, I do what I want to do. And if I do it because of money and all them things, I don't see it. What I do, it's not all about money. If YouTube and pay me later on, them pay me. So I don't tear down people and scandalize people and talk things about people because I want subscribers and popularity on YouTube. No. Because do my thing clean and straight on the levels. Same like when I say run Facebook. You say run Facebook in no time I get 5,000 followers. And I say run Facebook, you know, brother. And they hack the Facebook page and try to kill me, you know. But God have been the man still alive same way. Because I tell people say fan me I take picture for $50. People didn't want to kill me, you know. For me I take picture for $50. People didn't want to kill me. Can they say me I mash up the photographing business? Because I me make children people them take picture, you know, back in the days, you know. This is the same $50 picture, man. But you so run children. This is the same $50 picture, man. But the man we used to run dance all and them thing there. The same $50 picture, man, when you used to run Facebook. I them try to kill me again, I take myself and go sent in a 2014 go cool out. And now I come back and fall with you. I mean I go nowhere. I not left fall go nowhere again. Because that's even more coming I want to go. And that me go start up. And that me go talk about you know. You know see it. Yeah man. I touch on America. Yeah man. I one place me no want live at them place there. Me visit America, you know. Me visit over them place there, but me no want live at them place there. Right through the air. If me get a chance, me visit up there. That's why I go up there yet. I mean I join on long embassy and I look visa for go America. If me for go America, I must my sister with the America file for me. And when my son reach the age, my last boy, if he want to file for me. But me not look no visa. If me go America, I must my sister, Sirika Bell Navis, I go send for me. And my son in a seat. Yeah man. My son, Ronaldo. Yeah man. My son, Ronaldo, Romario Miller. He have to go file for me and send for me. I not look no visa for going to America. I can make it to Jamaica. Yeah. Because Jamaica, yeah, because of Jamaica, so. Jamaica, a God place. Jamaica, are the Garden of Eden. When God destroyed the world with the flood, God moved it and put it there, so. That's why you find, say, when time Christianity bring the gospel to Yasso. That's why Jamaica have most people in Jamaica believe in the God. Most people in Jamaica believe in the God of the Bible than anywhere else in the world. Yeah man. Because Michael Manley believe in the God of the Bible. And Bob Marley believe in the God of the Bible. Marcus Garvey same way. Yeah man. That's why Paul Bogan and Monday and the Maroons them when they find out certain things, when they fight against slavery. Yeah man, this island here are the Garden of Eden. And when you stand up in a God, nothing can for your firm belief in a God, nobody can touch you. That's why I believe in a war behind a mother. So what try to kill me and I throw science against me and can't stop me in a life, you know. Because God me saying, man. And me I tell now, man, top it now. You see the real people in Jamaica. Because, yeah man, as I say, me go, how much minutes me gone now? 8 minutes, I mean I really touch what I want to touch. Big up yourself, power. We go touch on the topic now. Big up yourself, power. Because I kind of beat on certain thing. Big up yourself, power. Big up yourself, Mr. Lovin Barrett. Yeah man, you check me since week here. On your way to the airport. Yeah man, because you come over, if you come to Jamaica for the weekend, and power you say on your way to the airport, you find me yard and stop at my yard. Because you say you couldn't go back to Atlanta. You couldn't go back to Atlanta without seeing me. Yeah man, because you say me thing a shot at Atlanta. Yeah man, you say you say boy you support me thing. And you say you spread me thing. Power. Mr. Lovin Barrett. 10 agri classmate. Yeah man, the whole of we gone to school together. And power, John, I'm glad to see your power. I'm glad to know say boy, you're alright, you're well alright, you do your things straight. Yeah, man, the public. So a man like you know, you safe America. Because America is a nice place, you know. You have good and bad in America, you know. Yeah, man. So when power tell me say boy, you see it, boy bed, love what you do bed, me love what you do. Come here and tell power say me go stop this thing on me I do. And power say bed, don't stop it brother, don't stop it. But one good thing if you do, just kind of keep cool on the politics thing. You see it. Yeah man. And I tell power say boy, to cool off me know because come on. So I want power for now still. I want power. I want Mr. Lewin Barrett and power. Big up your wife, Arlene Bartley. In a seat. Because I'm glad to know say yeah, Arlene still a deal on the same level see me because it's one of our classmates. Because the whole of 10 agree. Because Arlene is a girl who is good for sports. In a seat, and Arlene's sister too. In a seat, Arlene's sister, because they do field events. Almost a long jump and high jump. I'm glad to know say power. Because Arlene was one pretty girl back in the days. Lewin Barrett. Yeah man. Lewin Barrett is my classmate and Arlene Bartlett, my classmate same here. In a seat. So big up yourself, Mrs. Bartlett. I basically Arlene Bartlett and Fred Bartlett, my cousin. Supposed to some family relative. Yeah, I stand corrected. Yeah man. Because Fred Bartlett and because I believe it's around VXU side Arlene come from. In a seat. So I say, big up yourself, power. And thank you for your advice. But power, when you come on to this politics thing, you see, if you stop talking about, because we don't say me and Michael Manley Pitney. I will make the past remarks say me and Michael Manley Pitney, so could it endorse what I say. So when I say endorse, you know, because I never say Suko, because I never say Suko, see my Michael Manley Pitney, you know. Me say when me say me and Michael Manley Pitney, Suko say boy irate me because I'm creative. I'm a genius. Because I love when me say boy me and Michael Manley Pitney. Me no PMP. Me and Michael Manley Pitney. Me and MMP. And that Suko tell him send a voice note to his sister and say boy in love with me creative. In love with me put up this style MMP. Michael Manley Pitney, not PMP. So as what I say power, when you come on to, you see me know power. Yeah man, it's a Puma kid, because you see me you should be Puma more than Usain Bolt, you know. Usain Bolt is my national hero. Bolt is my hero. I'm not make Bolt hero. Bolt is my hero. I'm going to touch. I'm going to do we're planning to do one but one 3-part, I want 3-part content. But the untold story of Bolt. But the one I say no power. In a seat. Because I for the fashion and style back in the seat. Because I still can't do my fashion and style same, you know. Because nobody now hold me up, you know. Because I can survive, you know. Yes, because I see that. Because I see where Fendi. You see it. Adidas. The whole of the sports with them. Yeah man. But what I say now, I go straight to the topic now. I go touch upon all Trump now. The Trump, I don't talk long about Trump still now. But no fun attacks the ball out Trump win back America. No fun run the America they now in a problem. In a seat. On the street, in a ball, can the run of Jamaica and go America. America nice, you know. Because America is modern, yeah, America nice, you know. You have good and evil. You have good and evil in America, you know. But America one place, brother. America in such a way, America modern Sodom and Gomorrah. If you can go to America and be like Lot and him family, when you can survive over there. On the levels. Because remember when time God had destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah, man. And a lot of the family alone, you know. Did you righteous, you know. Because I can quote Bible to you again. When the angels them come down, because them time the angels come down and reason with God prophets them, you know. When the angels them come down and reason with Abraham and say, boy, Abraham, boy, Sodom and Gomorrah, you see it. God said if you're going to destroy Sodom and Gomorrah, man, because down there nasty bad, you know. And Abraham, a beg. Abraham had to beg the angels him to don't destroy it. And in such a way. Because Abraham asked the angels if 15 righteous down there, if they receive, if 15 righteous down there, them not going to destroy. And Abraham go down to ask him if 10 righteous down there, them still not going to destroy. Abraham go down to 5 righteous in a seat. And the angel them tell Abraham say if 5 righteous people they outside Sodom and Gomorrah, they not going to destroy. And when the angels them go Sodom and Gomorrah for destroy Sodom and Gomorrah, figure for Lot and in family. Because a lot and in two daughters them and in wife, 4 people alone down at Sodom, being righteous in a God's sight. And God go take them out of Sodom and Gomorrah. And shower down brim fire and brimstone down at Sodom and Gomorrah. And Lot wife go look back and turn pillar of salt. You may read the story there. We read the story there too in the Bible. So when time when I mix up God in a certain things, me no pay them no mind. If you notice me no. I'm not talk about the gay people them a lot, you know, because they're important to me, you know. Because I see in the Bible where the God in the Bible destroy a place, we pay homosexual and pay lesbian, all them sitting there. God destroyed that in the Bible. The Son of God. So when I really talk about them people there, because they're important to me. Because I'm straighter than arrow. The man said straight like arrow, I'm straighter than arrow in a seat. In a seat. I'm straighter than straighter than 6 o'clock. And that me I talk about right now. I can't talk and 70 minutes in my speech, don't go half an hour. But what me I say, I touch back on Trump thing. Trump win over there. Enough people they foot there now. Can I wonder how Trump win? Me don't tell you for a morning saying, man, the world is controlled by some evil people, you know, with their money, you know. The devil in the churches again, you know. When the devil is in the church and you was the church in such a way and spread the Christianity thing on certain levels. You understand me? The devil come out of the churches them now. And the devil in the rich people in the world. The rich people them because they depend in last lap of control in the earth, you know. Because the Son of God they tell us, man, say if him kingdom is not of this world, man. Because if him kingdom was of this world, he would have said in angels and be fight and free up himself. So the Son of God come upon the earth as a lamb to a slaughter. And he trod amongst poor people them. And he tell poor people them, say boy, in a seat, when you can't find comfort in him, when you can't find comfort in God. Because no man on earth can stop poverty. No man can stop it. In a seat. But when you're poor, you just kill what God give you and take yourself out of poverty. Don't kill your brothers and your sisters for richness. And don't die trying to get rich. And that 50 cent telling of our, you know, the same American rapper telling us, say, boy, only get rich. Only get rich and die trying to get rich. And if want to run behind it. Because when me tell her, we make a speech one time for my status. I want Virgin big me up and say, boy, I force him to hear the speech there. When me say, if me I get rich, me prefer get rich slowly and live long. Me not get rich quick and dead. Like what no phone I do. So I come different and now I'm not trying to keep my circle small, smaller than small. Me flex one away. Been in a bag of friend and company because the whole of them love money. The whole of them sell out. That's why Trump win. That's why Trump win America in better. Because Trump have him money, you know. And Trump have some money man to back him, you know. That's why the man when him Elon Musk when he want name. Spend much millions to keep Trump in the power. That's why Trump in America. And because the fee say no phone Jamaican and run down America and fees America phone now. America are for the wicked white people them. You have good white people, you know. You have good white people. And when it's color your skin are the content of your art. So when people leak out, you not to leak out against bleaching, you know. Because if you want bleach, you can bleach. If you want to look like a white man, you can look like a white man, because you have good white people. As long as because you can bleach your skin, you know, but you can't bleach your art, you know. Because I see some girl bleach and look nice and pretty. I know some girl when they used to have dark skin. I'm tell the living truth. I see girl bleach now and in brown and look good. And they can put on in tattoo because the bleaching fit them. Not for them to try bleaching and can't reach. So big up all the bleachers them for your bleach your skin and for your art clean. That good with me. And the dirty art business means a man burn fire pan. The dirty art because you can bleach your skin but you can't bleach your art. So if you want to make your skin look like a white man, no, because you have good white people. You have good white people, you know. In every nation, brother, you have good people. Because this thing is about good and evil. Not about black and white, good and evil. Gotta come for good people. You know, see it? So nobody so and the devil wants some wicked man. Yeah, man, to rule the world. So that's say about baby Trump now. No, that's him have Father Trump with the whole America. I'm not telling you, say, you know, see, don't surprise. Don't surprise, you know. Although it's difficult for him still, you know. But don't surprise if baby Trump, can I stop calling Brodevil? A baby Trump, me call him now. Don't surprise if baby Trump, that the Andrew only. Don't surprise if baby Trump win back. Because you have some, the rich man of Jamaica, you see it, I back him. When him Paul Chen, when you want name one man, I must be the richest man of Jamaica. And them man the back baby Trump, you know, brother. Because you don't know, say, anything baby Trump do, anything Andrew Owens do, a 9-day wonder. Because they know that. Because what baby Trump do in a 2020, and I say I'm putting people in through, punish poor people. Because one thing if you know, say, man, Jamaica, no matter what you want to say, brother, Jamaica have more poor people than they are Jamaica than rich people. More poor people than Jamaica than the rich people. That's why Michael Manley stand up for the poor people and the underprivileged. That's why, power, we can't stop talking about Michael Manley. If we stop talking about Michael Manley, power, in a seat. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. If we stop talking about Michael Manley, it's like stop talking about Jesus, and stop talking about Bob Marley, and stop talking about Usain Bolt, and stop talking about Miss Lowe, and stop talking about Marcus Garvey. Because the man are great men in different aspects. Because when baby Trump come talk about Michael Manley mash up the country in the 70s, and that's why me come out and say me a Michael Manley pitney. Because I know what Michael Manley do for poor people. I know how Michael Manley stand up to America. That's why Farrakhan, to tell the Muslim people, the Farrakhan, them that God people too, you know. Because the Muslim come through Ishmael. When you learn that. And God look out for the Muslim, the true Muslim people them. Them that God people, but them say God through Allah. Yeah man, but I God people them same way. Cause remember the story about they came going to Bible class again. Remember the story because if you read in the Bible. Remember the story, you know, with Abraham and Sarah, you know. In a seat. And when Sarah couldn't have no pitney, in a seat. Sarah forward Sarah forward Hagar. In a seat. To Abraham. And Abraham going upon Hagar and Ishmael born. And the house now, Sarah and Hagar couldn't live in peace. And Abraham have to separate, carry Ishmael and left him in the wilderness. And God protect Ishmael. And so the Arabs them come out of Ishmael. The Muslims come from Ishmael. And God people them same way. That's why when Farrakhan say, because me a Farrakhan speech when Farrakhan say, in the 70s, the American government did want to assassinate Michael Manley. And the American government killed Bob Marley, you know. Yes, if I talk things, man, I know people go stop support me, you know. But the American government killed Bob Marley, you know, brother. Any man I get, yeah, man. That's a truth and reality, you know. You see, my American government with some of our leaders, them, hug up and embrace up on all these certain levels. Yes. And them kill Bob Marley, brother. Every prophet God sent to the poor people, them, and to the oppressed people, them, is either to kill them or to sell them out. But one thing I tell you, more poor people that Jamaica than rich people. It's as long as poor people stand up and don't sell out themselves for riches and vanity. You can't stop baby Trump. And poor people go stop baby Trump, you know. Yeah man, the poor people, you know. Who knows say being poor is not a crime. Poor is a condition. Because man go brighter than man. Man go have education more than man. But don't bad mind the man having education. The man having education and can be doctors and lawyers. Then help the one them who can be doctors and lawyers. Educationally, in the seat, knowledge are the key to success. But then all of we go get at the brain like others. Yeah. 28 minutes gone, brother. 28 minutes gone and come like half an hour. I'm going to tell you, all the way I say I go talk for half an hour. We want to know, say, in a seat, I have to talk. When me talk, you know, because right now the way now I start to juice upon me, you know. When me I talk, you know, me I talk for poor people. Me a poor people defender. That's why I take picture the cheapest. You understand me? But sometimes I too force if you take picture again. Because them people want you filter them out in such a way. They don't want to spend the money upon them on bleaching cream. They want you use your phone and filter them out. That's how they look pretty. If you don't want to spend the money upon bleaching cream and look good, you can't go no contact so you can call and link. As long as the skin can't take bleaching. Because the phone skin can't take bleaching. The phone skin stubborn. You understand me? But as I say, if Jamaica want, come and tell you, one thing I close by saying, just enough of the so-called PMP supporters, because someone was good PMP lip service, you know, because they don't vote, you know. You only just give PMP lip service when time come to vote in a seat. Baby Trump and the Confederacy just buying out. Make no vote none at all in a seat. Yeah. Yes, and someone go vote for Baby Trump because of the money one I get. Yes. And that's why Baby Trump did sweep the last election. Because Baby Trump did know everything where they go on. Baby Trump did know everything about the COVID. Sometimes I don't want to talk about, I don't want to talk about no COVID again because I don't want to come to strike. But Baby Trump did know. That's why Baby Trump get the money. They have money upon money. They have the money where they get. And then buy up the people them. And buy up the poor people them. Because they fees the $20,000 money. See right now they give people $20,000. Find some tax return thing. They think $20,000 money? Eh? And that them a do. Why they choose for know them do them sitting there? They must buy up the poor people them. Because the 8 years Baby Trump not do nothing at all, you know, to a significance. Because everything a Baby Trump do, the other leaders them do it. Building highways and all them sitting there. And building hotels and all them sitting there. And people that get work. All the other leaders them do. You remember in 1998 in Jamaica with World Cup, you know, and a PJ government, you know. No things happen in the 90s, good. All them highway Porsche bill. Look on the highway run behind Nip School. Look on the highway where run past Boud Beach. You know see it? And bypass Headless Corner. You remember the corner the Never Road when they are a content. When one go push out her head figure the power trip and push out her head for vomit. I want to lick off the girl head. People not drive on the road there again. Because Porsche go now the highway past Boud. A Porsche build that, enough highway Porsche them build. So when Baby Trump build highway in a certain section, I feel road that one for do. And I China people build highway them. Because we Jamaica now build nothing. China build everything at Jamaica right now. So when Baby Trump go my trick not even a bag of crap and a bag of foolishness. All the roads in fan. All the highways in fan Mobile go straight to Ochi. In a seat. A Porsche build them. And we all know that. All Duke Street. What is set up. I do them Porsche time them thing they do. So as I say, in a seat. A poor people, the real poor people who love the Son of God. Me call him Jesus Christ. Although all of my friends burning like they too like a Jesus thing. But me call him Jesus. We know him as Jesus. I know the name of the man and the work what the man do. I'm glad to me read my Bible and know about Jesus. I don't believe nobody want to say about me, you know. Because I don't fear who can kill the body and can't kill the soul, you know. Me know my Bible, you know. Me know my Bible, but I just keep away from the churches. Because no church man and control me and in a seat. And manipulate me. Because I love my life and I live. I love to party, I want to party. I'm free to do what I want to do. But one thing I don't kill my brothers and my sister. Because every man point out the brothers and sisters. We are God pitney. Will you see me? Yeah, man, you see God. And when you see all the men who believe in the Son of God, you see God. We all have God children. Because Jesus said, great as it, because them say. You understand me? Jesus still us say, from we believe in him, greater works wine do. What him do, we are going to do. Because we're the children of God. Because we're the Son of God same way. So when Bounty Killer, they tell people, say, yeah man, we are all gods. I told Bounty Killer talk. Only if we read in the Bible, man, I know about the Son of God, brother. I say all the conscious artists, them, Bob Marley, the whole of them read in the Bible. And Bob Marley got the inspiration from the Bible, but Bob Marley only see God as a black man. As me become big, me know that Bob Marley's father was a white man. Me never did know that Bob Marley's father was a white man. And Bob Marley's mother was a young 16-year-old. When I tell them say 16, no they want to put it to 18. You know why they want to change it from 16 to 18-year-old now. But then say Bob Marley's mother was a 16-year-old, you see it? 16-year-old lady. And him father was a rich. One whole rich white man. That's how Bob Marley come. I look on Bob Marley now. When Bob Marley the bonfire, Bob Marley defend black people and the underprivileged more than white people. All of me I say, Jamaica a God country. Jamaica are the Garden of Eden. Our national food, in a seat, ackee. I talk about the saltfish, ackee. Oh, yeah, man. Our national dish are ackee and saltfish. The national food are ackee. According to Miss Louise Bennett, black man sit down upon white man head. Black man sit down upon, and Miss Lou, me learn that from. That's why I say Miss Lou, Usain Bolt, Bob Marley, and Michael Manley forget national hero. Them 4 people that get national hero. No damn national icon, national hero. And that's it. Them forget. Because it's ackee, me feed pan ackee back in the days. That's why I'm so wise and so smart. That ackee me feed pan, you know. Because my yard is the biggest ackee tree, you know, and the biggest breadfruit tree, you know. At the time, the ackee and roast breadfruit was the national dish. Because we couldn't saltfish, you see, you have to go buy saltfish, but you can't get roast breadfruit off of the tree. And my yard is to feed the whole of farm, but they come on to ackee and roast breadfruit. Enough ackee me eat. Ackee with black pepper, sauce of ackee, without no saltfish. And for your feed pan ackee make you wise. Enough ackee make me see it. Me when I'm ackee 24/7, so like me can get it. You see it. And on Jamaica alone you can find ackee. Black man sit down upon white man head. Black man, a matter of fact, black man on top of white man. Can you say the top part of the ackee, the black part, you know see it. Yeah man. You know see that you take out that and you, yeah man. And you eat the other part of it. But all of me I say, brother, big up yourself power. I want to know the power. I talk about Michael Manley. And power, I talk about certain things. I don't talk about politics. I talk about love. I defend poor people. So as long as poor people them stand up, you can stop baby Trump. But if you sell out, because I can't live, you know. I can't live with baby Trump, you know. I can't live in a baby Trump government, you know. Because I live in a baby Trump government fan coming up power 2016, you know. But me just get cross, angry, and miserable for they want to try to diss Michael Manley and for them rob Usain Bolt. For them rob my hero in money. A baby Trump friend them rob Usain Bolt in money, you know. 2 billion, you know. A 2 billion they rob Bolt, you know. And for them time they start bonfire, you know. Coming and beg nothing for Bolt, you know. Because I don't like beg. I don't like beg none at all. Because I just sit on the roadside and beg. You know see it? Out of Charles Plaza. That's why I quote I make certain statements, boy, I'm going to walk the street like Blaggy. Me can't be a madman, you know. Because when I tell me I talk something about Blaggy, man, when I come to him and say certain things about the topic about Blaggy, me can't be like Blaggy. Me cannot be like Blaggy. Me. Michael Manley can't be like Blaggy. Michael Manley Pitney. Nah, sit down on the roadside and beg no bread. Okay. Because I do enough of that when I was a little boy. Sit on the roadside and beg. I'm still not turn to crime. Never go behind prison walls yet. Never go behind a prison wall yet. I mean, I go behind no prison wall. That's why I keep my circle small. Because when you start burn down Babylon, they want to every do thing we send in prison. But me wiser. They want the ackee me eat, me wise. Because Jamaica the Garden of Eden, the sun come up back again for me right now. So, as I say, 40 minutes. With the 40 minutes already and people listen it. So big up yourself power. All of me are set to poor people. You know see it. Because if you don't want to stop baby Trump, because yeah man, because if you don't want baby Trump to rule on you know man, baby Trump go in the seat. In the seat go ruling you know. But you never stop give PMP lip service. And when voting time go, you if you go vote. Go vote for one who believe in her. Who love Baby Trump can vote for Baby Trump. Just like the people in America love Trump and them vote for Father Trump. And Father Trump win. You know, see it? So if the people want to stop Baby Trump at Jamaica, only if you go vote. You know, see it? Vote for PMP and vote for Marky G. And stop the PMP lip service. And when election time come, you start finding all type of fault and take all Baby Trump their money and you vote. Because remember, say Baby Trump in power. And less people vote for Baby Trump, you know. When Baby Trump, the last election, I was about over 20% voters turn out. And minority people they vote for Baby Trump because they love Baby Trump. Then God. Because remember Jamaica PMP country, you know. Because the two longest service Prime Minister was PJ Pattinson, you know, with 14 years, you know. And Michael Mann with about 11 years, you know. And Baby Trump now at the third, you know. He got 8 years now, you know. And Baby Trump determined he want to be the greatest and the longest serving Prime Minister. And that Baby Trump want to do. So with all means necessary. So Baby Trump stockpile had money. It has to be buying out when the election time comes. Can start here now. Because in the history of Jamaican politics, this election is the longest election campaign ever. The election campaign start from the by-election something there. By-election a Senton. Election campaign start. And this is starting now. For general, you know. So all who are going on a campaign are going. Because Baby Trump afraid to call it now. Because if he call it now, he can't beat Marky G. So Baby Trump trying hard tricks and all everything. He can't really mind the people him. Come in talk and tell live jam say at time of the can't really mind the people him. So Baby Trump have the money friends him to back him and buying out like in the 2020 and sweep election because 2020 only do want money so much. Only selling the soul. And look what Baby Trump, the poor people, everything in 2020 and 2021, all through them crisis, they blame poor people. He blame poor people. And they see him poor people him. They run up and down behind Baby Trump. Because Baby Trump having money. And they love money too much. Everything they want. Especially when we born since the year 2000. I pay money, I pay Vanity and love. When you first live in a big house and drive big car, I think that. And you go on do a bag up, sure. You hear me, brother? Me gone 43 minutes. Big up yourself. Big up yourself power. And big up all of my school past students them. Yeah man. I'm a classmate them. Yes. And power. Me just cannot stop talking about. And this is what nobody wants to say. Me just cannot stop talking about Michael Manley. Can't stop talking about this man. Just like how people talk about Michael Jackson. Or you can never say another Michael Jackson. Because some people say Michael Jackson are dead. And the same thing like Michael Manley. The greatest Prime Minister Jamaica have ever seen. In a seat. Just like you can't stop talking about Jesus and Bob Marley, Miss Lou, Usain Bolt. Yes. Big up Marcus Garvey, big up Paul Bogo. But I need that power. So who want hate me. But me I speak the truth. And everybody knows that this man are the greatest. This man are loving people him and in loving country. Because in Michael Manley time, Jamaica won everything, backside, everything Jamaica won. Here Jamaica, everything up and running. And we enjoy ourselves in the Michael Manley time. In a Siaga time, same way. In a PGA time, in a Porsche time, in a Boost time, same way. But you see this man, Baby Trump. But you know, poor people, every prophet God sent to no kill them, you know. Because they love money. And that Judas, me are close by saying, man, Judas sit with Christ, you know. And see man sit with Christ, you know. The 30 piece of silver, you know. Because God did choose him. Because Judas is to carry the money bag. And that's why I'm selling out. I'm sick of the money bag. You can love money. Enough on no love money. You know, see, enough on no love money. That's why when Baby Trump telling us every poor man must build them castle. But I tell Baby Trump, say, I don't want no castle. Because when me dead, I can't carry a castle with me. I want everlasting life. And life I want. Because Bob Marley tells Ziggy Marley, say, money can't buy life. And Bob Marley always say, fame which is life. That's a quote from Bob Marley. I quote from someone like that artist nowadays about the place. I chat them bag of rubbish and bag of crap. I quote from Bob Marley and from Michael Manley, from Marcus Garvey, and from Jesus. So right now I can't go hand in hand. You know see it? At 45 minutes now. You know see it? So when you can power always watch my thing. Suku always watch my thing. And all overseas know my thing. This have nothing at all to do with politics, Panelevers. This is about love. The love of Jamaican people them. Because any leaders of a party, because the two leaders them of PMP and GLP were contest election 2020, never did love them people. Them did a fight for power. Because in no way a general election should not call in a time when have a pandemic. In no way election should not call. But as I say, anything our wicked leaders them do, and 9-day wonder. So you can, if you want to support Baby Trump, you can support Baby Trump. But as I say, I don't sell myself on vanity. Because I have my integrity. And that I stand for. Ignorance enslave. And knowledge liberate. Knowledge liberate. Ignorance enslave. And hard work and integrity. 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 According to Michael Manley. Integrity, integrity, integrity. That's what Michael Manley stand up for. Yeah, man. So, me a closer now until the next content. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Power. Yeah, Mr. Lowen Barrett. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So you can spread the word. The word is love. The greatest song ever come out of Jamaica, and One Love by Bob Marley. One Love is the greatest song ever penciled in a Jamaica. One Love by Bob Marley. I'm glad to know say when a Bob Marley pitney, when a Bob Marley seed grow up in my yard. Kimani Marley. Big up yourself Kimani Marley. Big up yourself Anita Bell Nevis. I just One Love here. As a Power say, I don't stop Power. I go continue bonfire. This is from Michael Manley. Who want to hate me, hate me. Who want to give me work. But I now walk the street as no madman like Blaggy. Come to walk the street a lot when I was a boy and beg. When there was no father for me, it was my mother alone. You know what is poverty, you know, brother? I'm not turn to crime. Never go behind prison walls yet. Never go behind prison walls yet. I know for no one see me go to prison and all them sitting. You know try to kill me. For me I take picture for $50. You know hack my Facebook page and try to kill me again. And God have me alive. God will never take me yet. Some are going to burn fire. Because Dennis Brown say, love and hate can never be friends. Love and hate can never be friends. Yes. And the man in my code from brother. Them conscious Rastas singers back in the past. Come here hard to call the Rastas. You know want to know that? Yes. And that means I can't talk on and on because actually you know me grieve. The croaky pirate get back cold now. But I say the sun come out. So I just sign off now. I'm going off on the beach. Go swim and look out for the sharks them same way. Because all our wicked all our wicked leaders him say, no short waters him, or short there. So I turn my back against the ocean. I look back towards the ocean. Yes. Because them people that are protecting towards him industry and they protect the towards him and all them say, I don't give a damn about the people, you hear me? That's what the youth. Sure. I don't want to talk about certain things in the power. But power, big up yourself. I'm glad you know say you couldn't go back to Atlanta without linking me. And power, anything you want, we come back to Jamaica, we can link on half of the beach and all cook out. And we can sit down and chat and reason. Because Jamaica are the Garden of Eden, you hear me? Jamaica, so there's more God-fearing people than Jamaica than anywhere else in the world. Although you have more rum bar than Jamaica more than anywhere else in the world still. Big up yourself, Jamaica, too, you know. In America, you're there. You know, see it. You're straight Jamaics. Because Trump send you home, you know. If you're not straight, you know. Boy, Jamaics, I'm telling you, Trump ship out the whole of you know. Come back to Jamaica, so you better straight up there. Because so, that's when I left us to go nowhere. We can't make money as and live as so. Because baby Trump can't buy me out, you know. Come in and bad my brothers and my sister because of big house and big car, you know. Yeah, me well alright. So, big up all the people over the world. The whole of we are brother and sister. The whole of we come from Adam and Eve. The whole of we come from Adam and Eve. We are God people. We are God pretty people them. We are God pretty people. I pay monstrous people and pay little. So, yeah, my devil used to make. Enough to me knowing, man. Remember I said it? 1,000 years in a seat. A day is like 1,000 years, you know, in the sight of God, you know. So God has sit down and relax and watch a movie where they go on until they will intervene. God can't change all in mind too. Because they change in mind and come back for free, you know. And make us be hell, you know. And not judge you know and not put in all the new heaven, you know. When building, you know. God can't do anything, you know. You see they go and mock God and chatting about a crap and talking about a foolishness. As I say, you know, see integrity, and one love, according to Bob Marley. Yeah.